Starting, building, and operating a successful greenhouse requires ample amounts of education and preparation. Luckily, the industry has grown substantially since 2020 and is continuing to blossom. This means there are more resources than ever to help you jumpstart your greenhouse. Your friends at United Country Real Estate are here to provide a step-by-step guide on how to successfully start and operate a greenhouse on your land. A greenhouse offers many benefits that a simple garden bed simply cannot offer. Anyone who has ever worked with plants or crops knows that fickle weather can greatly disturb their growth and seasons. The extreme cold and snow in the winter season prohibits the plants from flourishing. Adversely, the heat of the summer season can wilt and dry out certain vegetation. With a greenhouse, you control the temperature, removing any need for planting crops seasonally. These extended cultivation periods allow gardeners to grow crops like cabbage all year round, or even plant unique and tropical plants in cooler locations. Pests, like insects and hungry critters, are one of the main hindrances of growers and gardeners. This is where a greenhouse design shines. Preventing animals from entering your garden space can be extremely difficult, but with 4 walls and a door, greenhouses are exceedingly easier to manage wildlife pests. One factor to be wary of is that insects thrive in humid climates that these spaces require, so properly administering preventative measures is important for the safety and health of your precious plants. Another incredible benefit to opting for a greenhouse over a garden is the portability of the plants and the structure itself. Gardens often require flowers and other vegetation to be planted into the ground, while greenhouses have plants cultivated in pots and other easily transportable gardening equipment. Selecting the right greenhouse for your needs and your land is another step that requires careful consideration. Lean-to greenhouses are a fantastic option for those who do not have a lot of space or have additional outbuildings they can build on. They're defined by their ability to be attached to homes or other structures, making them one of the most convenient options. As the name suggests, detached greenhouses are not attached to any structures, making them portable if you plan to move or need to make adjustments to its location. The ridge and furrow styled greenhouses are perfect for those who are planning on constructing multiple greenhouses. Gutter connected greenhouses are more geared towards large scale horticulture efforts compared to other options. These massive and poly covered greenhouses afford greater control of airflow and temperature. The cold frame greenhouse has much in common with its counterparts, except it relies on the sun to create the climate for the garden rather than relying on electric heating or other methods. While they are one of the most dependable options due to their materials, they might not be the best option for those seeking to grow during the colder months. Before you build your greenhouse, determine what all you're wanting from your new green space. Consider sunlight, water sources, tree roots, and other topographical elements before setting up at your ideal location. Since greenhouses are solid structures, proper ventilation is crucial for plant care. Vents and fans are the most common ventilation methods, with both providing different benefits. Air circulation is an important factor to maintaining humidity and temperature levels, as well as preserving carbon dioxide and oxygen levels. Buying soil at the store or mixing your own concoction by adding peat or sawdust to a soil mixture are both valuable options for planting seedlings. Creating a compost pile can be extremely advantageous for your plant health, as well as a sustainable solution for your kitchen needs. Deciding when and how to water your crops depends on various factors. Create a consistent schedule once you have determined your water needs for your specific plants. Decide whether you want to water your plants by hand or use tube systems or sprinklers. Thanks for watching. We're United Country Real Estate, your experts on all things rural properties. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again, and stay tuned for our next video.